How to draw on Instagram story. To get started, first of all, open up the Instagram application on your phone. You will then be taken to the newsfeed page on Instagram. So once you're here, tap on the plus sign at the bottom panel. After that, once you're here on this media gallery page, tap on the story option right at the bottom. Capture a new photo or select an existing one from your camera roll. Then, tap on the three dots at the top right corner. It will show you a menu like this. Now, select the option Draw from this menu. Use your finger to draw on the picture. Choose a color from the color palette at the bottom of the screen. You can also tap and hold on a color to open a gradient for more precise color selection. Select a brush type from the options available at the top of the screen. So, by following these steps, you can go ahead and draw on your Instagram story.